Hi, I'm Madison. I'm in the cosmetology program. I'll be graduating next Friday.
And my name's Mac. I'm in the cosmetology program as well, and I'll be graduating in 2 weeks.
My mom and my sister are both in the industry. They've done hair for a really long time. I didn't know for sure if that's what I wanted to do. My friend actually went to JD Academy. She went through the aesthetics program, so she told me about it, and I decided I wanted to tour it. And when I came here, I knew right away that I wanted to be here. So it's just fun to see all this work that you've put in for something, and to see the end result and the outcome just makes you feel really nice about it, for sure.
I didn't know really what I wanted to do yet. I was doing lashing like on the side while I was having a retail job, and then I just decided I might as well just do it all and get my license for everything. But I knew I wanted to be here when I toured it, and I just saw everyone helping out each other and the teachers being really good with hands-on with the students. So that's when I figured out. I was like, yeah, I want to come here. For me, it'd probably be having my highlighting clients. It's definitely like an aha moment when you like blow dry and style, and you get to see like the actual final product that you've done. But that's probably when I was like, yeah, this is what I want to do.
I think you just gotta trust yourself, trust what you believe, and just do it.